We are playing Medical Spelling Bee, where medical students will be given medical words to spell.
Your word is Venus. Do you want me to use it in a sentence? Yes. Hey bro, I can see your Venus hanging.
There's going to be 4 rounds, and with each round, the difficulty of the words increases.
Your word for this round is
Pneumono ultra microscopic silico.
And to make it a little easy for the medical students, they will have 2 lifelines: audience help and expert. But they can only use 1 lifeline, which will be decided by this wheel of fate. And yeah, winner gets prize money. So let's get started.
our first contestant is Tahashiko. So you can ask the definition as well as the sentence. You can ask me to use it in a sentence, okay? The first word for round 1 is melanin.
Melanin.
Wait, do you want me to use it in a sentence?
Yes, I want.
That is so dark, bro. He must have a lot of melanin.
What does it mean?
So melanin, it's a pigment in our skin which determines our skin color. If you have a lot of melanin, you will be dark as fuck. Yes. Yes. You don't have a lot of.
Yeah. Okay, so it must be MELANIN.
Yes, you're right.
It was actually hard first.
Really? First question. Zoology बोलना था क्या?
Yes.
Zoology चाहिए था?
Yes. You should have said Negus. Negus.
Our second contestant for round 1 is Daniel Salam. So the first word for you is defecation.
Why?
Easy. Definition: the daily event where you sit on the throne and bid farewell to your yesterday's meal.
That's a good one.
DEFECATION.
Yeah. No, it is correct.
There was an A in the middle.
हाँ तो defecation है, cation.
No, defecation.
He said D-E-F-E. He said DEFECATION. Yeah, that's right.
Okay. I think.
So our third contestant is Umme Hani Maqsood. Your first word, Hani, is inguinal.
What?
Inguinal.
Inguinal.
So what does it mean?
It's getting hard.
So definition: the fancy term for groin area that always gets injured at the worst times. Sentence:
Yeah.
he pulled his inguinal muscle trying to do the splits at the party, and now he's the meme of the college.
Okay, so it would be INDUINA.
Yes. Our fourth contestant is Khwaish Thapa.
Oh my god. You better ask me an easy one, okay?
Okay. Your word is lymphogyolomyomasses. That's the easiest I could find for you. Just kidding. Your word is epiglottis.
So it will be like EPIGLOTTIS.
Yes. Our next contestant is Muhammad Zaki Zaman, brother of Fakhar Zaman. Fakhar Zaman is a Pakistani cricket player.
Oh yeah.
He cried when he got out. Bhai.
This is a lie.
Your word is ventricle. Definition चाहिए या sentence चाहिए?
Yeah, please.
Okay, definition. One of the heart's VIP rooms where blood gets pumped. Sentence is: he said his left ventricle was working overtime after seeing his crush smile at him.
Yeah, this is like, he has so much experience. He doesn't work
It's
anymore.
clotted.
Yeah. It worked overtime, you know.
PENTRICLE.
Thank you. Round 1 है इसलिए. Okay, our next contestant is Ebenezer Pennetsa. Spell your name, please.
We know that, the surname.
नहीं, मुझे एडिटिंग में इजी होगा.
PENMETHSA.
Your first word is hippocampus.
HIPPOCAMPUS.
Yes, कर. अरे ये पूछा नहीं. आकर वापस पूछो मुझे.
Meaning.
The part of your brain that sounds like a university for hippos.
Wow.
Yes.
You know, hippos have pink.
Big.
Pink milk.
Yeah.
Pandas have like जो भी newborn होता है, they are pink.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
Crazy.
That's-
Okay, thank you.
Round 2.
Round 2. Everybody passed this one. Okay.
Surprisingly.
पूरे smart लोग हैं यहाँ पर. हाँ?
How surprising.
In the second round, contestants were selected randomly.
Taha. Your word is
Epistaxis.
epistaxis.
Is Texas?
Yes. Do you want me to use it in a sentence?
Yeah.
During his speech, an unexpected
Epistaxis.
had him looking like a surprise Halloween prank.
Play it again.
Epistaxis.
You don't say it. Let her say
Epistaxis.
it. EPISTAC. What? Epistaxis? PACSIS?
Wrong letter. The correct spelling for epistaxis is EPISTAXIS. Okay? Guys, I forgot to tell you have a lifeline.
Okay.
You.
Now you're telling me. Bechara.
My lifeline is coming back.
Okay, चलो एक और chance मिलेगा आपको. Paish Thapa, your word for this round is Alzheimer. Sentence. Knock knock.
No, who's there?
It's Faizan.
Faizan who?
You don't remember me? Oh well, you have Alzheimer's.
Should I spell?
Yes.
I know guys, it's cringe, but chalo.
But like you made it.
Yeah, I made it. I am the cringiest person.
Points for you, bro.
Points for the effort.
Effort and creativity.
Thank you.
Okay. Just give me a second, okay?
If you want, you can use the lifeline.
No, not yet.
The more we think, the more we get confused.
Yeah, that is what happened. Just wing it. Go for it. I don't want it right now.
ALZHEM. Oh my god. What's that? Why am I getting confused?
कोई नहीं, you can use it. Trust me. फिर उसके बाद फिर नहीं मिलेगा फिर.
Okay, yeah. I'll choose it then.
I've been studying for the past 2 weeks now. My professor is going to kill me if he sees this video. My professor.
आपका नाम?
French accent. I know you are French. So go for it.
So I am the expert Faizan probably. Yeah, he's there. This is Russian, sorry.
Oh, yeah, okay.
Okay. Which spelling do you want?
Alzheimer's, so.
Alzheimer's. Wait, let me check.
Himself got the Alzheimer.
I think he has Alzheimer.
So the spelling for Alzheimer's is ALZHEIMER.
Oh my god.
You missed I. what he
I
said.
told
me.
you it's always between
The-
I and E's.
Yes. No problem. No problem.
Thanks.
You will advance to the second round. I mean, third round.
Third round, okay.
But he doesn't. So.
Why you did not tell me that I have lifeline?
Thank you so much, expert.
What color am I?
Your word is easy. Venus.
Oh my god. Are you serious?
Do you want me to use it in a sentence? Yes. Hey bro, I can see your Venus hanging.
What?
Venus.
What does it mean?
Oh, definition.
Definition: excess or loose skin at the joint of your elbow.
Okay.
What the heck?
Thank God you said that.
This is called Venus. Lifeline still open.
Yeah, take your lifeline. What is this?
Lifeline.
Yes.
Let's go, baby. He's also getting the expert. So the word is Venus. What do you think? क्या है spelling?
You.
Expert should say.
Okay. The spelling of Venus is W-E-N-U-S.
WNUS.
W-E? No, E. Venus. It will be W-E-E-N-U-S maybe.
There are multiple spellings: W-E-E-N-U-S, W-E-N-U-U-S, W-I-N-U-S. Yeah, I've done a lot of research on this. Yes. Okay, good.
Better, like.
The word is onychocryptosis.
What?
Onychocryptosis.
Onychocryptosis. Okay.
Onychocryptosis.
Definition though.
So the definition is a fancy term for an ingrown toenail, where your nail decides to dig in for gold.
Onico or Anico?
Onychocryptosis.
You mean O for onion?
मैं क्यों बोलूँ भाई?
That is only where he's confused. I think.
You don't have a lifeline, right?
I have.
So you want to use it? Or?
We have like after this rounds are there. ONICHO.
CH, okay.
I'm surviving, right?
क्या पूछे? मैं नहीं बोलने वाला, बोलो पूरा word. Spelling बोलो पूरा. Onychocryptosis.
Onychocryptosis.
ONICHOCRYPTOSIS.
Wait.
Hey, what's it?
Was it the H wala?
Eliminated.
Onychocryptosis was O-N-Y,
Why?
not I.
He said I. Hani is left and.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, go.
Best of 3 करो.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, go. Oh no.
Yes. Your word is. Oh, इसके अंदर नहीं है spelling का. नहीं आ रहा है. Okay, I will pronounce it for you.
Oh no.
Yes, which accent?
Oh.
Oh my goodness.
Oh. No, come again.
सुनो.
What?
Yeah, boomerang. What?
Who gave you this?
Please definition.
Definition:
The rumbling sound produced by the movement of gas through the intestines. Sentence: during the silent exam, his borbigimus sounded like a beer growling.
मेरे साथ होता
The spelling is BORYGMUS. Go for it!
Your word is
Dun-dun-dun.
dermatomyositis.
DERMATOMYOCYTSIS.
चले गए. It's S. Myositis. C-I-T-I. Good one. You had a lifeline.
Because Taha didn't know he had a lifeline, he got one more chance to qualify for the next round.
I think he can survive this one. Your word is thrombocytopenia.
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 Very good.
He survived this one.
Yeah,
The lesson we learned here, kids, is to use the lifeline when you have one. Anyways, with Zaki and Daniel eliminated, the upcoming round will be in teams. Hani and Taha versus Khwaish and Abi. First to spell was Hani and Taha.
Your word is
Leo Mayo.
which actually
Leo Mayo Matos.
okay. You don't want to use the lifeline.
No, let us discuss. We are a team for that reason.
I'll just take it because anyways you're not going to be able to use it.
Yeah, okay, I will take the
Okay, lifeline.
They used their lifeline and got
Audience. Oh, they googled already. Come on. No. Okay, audience. Help.
बता
What is the word? You guys also.
Fangio Leo.
Leo,
That
Mayo,
fucking Leo is
Mato.
Yeah. Okay. Leo का कुछ भी हो सकता है यार.
and bio.
LAM. I'm not saying the short form. LAM is a rare lung disease that affects mostly women of childbearing age. LAM, abnormal muscle-like cells, begin to grow out of control in the lungs and other parts of the body. So it's like a cancer.
वो तो पाया लिम्फांजियो पता है.
Lymphangial Leo.
Leo.
LEIO.
हाँ दिखा है.
MYO.
MYO MATOSIS.
Lymphangio. 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 Leo. LEIO. Mayo. MYO. Matosis. MATOSIS.
That was the only shit.
Okay, the word is pneumono ultra microscopic silico.
Oh God, I thought so.
The longest word you will ever regret asking the definition for. It's a lung disease caused by inhaling fine silicate or quartz dust.
Yeah, I mean, I hope you mess up something.
Okay, you have the pronunciation.
Okay.
It is such an odd word. I have to mess up something.
Microscopic silicovolcanoconiosis.
So,
Conos.
ध्यान से सुनो Saida. We're gonna mess up somewhere, I'm sure.
ready? Yes. Okay, go.
PNEUMONO pneumono ULERAMICROSCOPIC ultramicroscopic SILICO silico VOLCANO volcano CONIOSIS
You see that medical student who is foreign medical student.
We don't need NFC. NFC needs us.
With both teams getting the spelling right, the next round will have a time limit of 1 minute.
Why would you do it? It's okay. It's fine. So 1 minute.
Yeah, don't start it once he says, after that start.
Yeah.
Then we'll start discussing.
So the word is thymolphthalein.
Thymolphthalein.
Yeah.
Thymolphthalein.
Thymolphthalein. So THYMOL is there.
Thymolphthalein.
PH. Thymolphthalein. THALENE or THALEIN.
Thymolphthalein.
ENELENE. Okay. THY.
Thymolphthalein.
Thymolphthalein. THALEN. Come. We'll go with that.
Spelling.
Okay. THYMOL PH Thymol PH THALENE.
Lein.
Not
N-E.
Oh shit.
Just ENE meant.
So for you the word is
Fasciolopsiasis.
fasciolopsiasis.
Oh, this is easy.
Fascio?
Lopsiasis.
Fasciolopsiasis.
This is easy.
Fasciolopsiasis.
Lopsiasis.
Definition.
Infection with the intestinal fluke.
Fasciolopsiasis. Buski.
You guys say.
Fasciolopsiasis.
Ciasis.
10, 9,
Okay, we're saying.
7.
Fasciolopsiasis. Ciasis.
Okay.
Ciasis. Fascio. FASCIO. Lop. LOPSISIS.
SI.
Spell the last part.
SIASIS.
It was.
Once teammate, now rivals. They face off to determine the ultimate medical spelling bee champion.
Oligo, astheno, terato, zoospermia.
Correct.
Okay.
But like he will spell that, I will spell that. Or maybe one person can go outside for oligo.
Yes, he's ready. Oligo, astheno, terato,
Terato or terano? Terano.
T-Rex.
Terato है.
T-Rex.
Terato है ना?
Let's go with your medical bookish knowledge.
Yeah, that's what I
Oligo,
What is the word?
terato,
Terato.
zoospermia.
Terato. TERATO.
correctly लिख किया ना?
SPERMIA.
हो गया? हो गया?
Okay. Say it, but he tapped it right.
Yeah, he tapped it.
Yeah.
Just put the right spelling. Just put the right spelling, guys. Don't put hard.
Correct spelling डाल रहे हो? किसकी spelling डाल रहे हो?
Correct spelling.
Correct spelling.
Okay.
So, Rahak spelling.
That's what I
are correct.
I didn't know that.
Okay.
So it's co-winners or one more round?
Wait, I have to.
Signature दिख भी नहीं रहा.
Signature नहीं दिख रहा है.
I almost went up.
Yeah, first round, yeah, second round. That was the biggest comeback.
No. I just have a quote now for Taha. Okay. If I die, bury me with Taha because I might just come back.
And this also is.
Action.
What? Oh my god.
Yes.
Whenever your heart is broken